Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Patel. Welcome to Senior Seminar. I wanted to take a minute to walk you guys through the first assignment. Hopefully by now you guys have read my letter to you, especially if you didn't have me as a teacher quarter 3. So we're going to be trying e-learning. Nobody knows how long it's going to last, and we're just going to take it one day at a time and figure things out. First, a little bit about me, if you don't know me already. Again, my name is Mrs. Patel. I've been at the ALC for 10 years now. This is my husband. I have 2 kids. This is my 7-year-old daughter, Kaya, and this is my 3-year-old, Cubby. Okay, so for the next couple of weeks, we're going to be learning about buying a car, how to look at listings from dealers, and how to look at listings and compare them from private sellers. So for this week, this assignment is going to be due on Thursday. I'm only going to be looking at whether you attempted the assignment and how much of it you completed, and you'll get a grade on Friday. After this week, I'll be looking more carefully at your work, leaving you feedback. But this first week is going to be easier. So the first thing that you're going to do is answer the discussion board question. And it's more about just your car driving situation, whether you have a car, and you can read through that question. So on Google Classroom, once you're in, under classwork, you'll see that class discussion question, and you'll type in your response and reply to one other classmate. Then you're going to rank what's important to you when it comes to cars, and then talk about why you gave why you ranked number 1 the way you did. Finally, you're going to watch this 4-minute video. It's about buying a new car versus buying a used car, and you're going to give a friend some advice about what they should do. There's some language in the video that I'd like for you guys to include in your advice, so please watch the video. This is the important word, depreciation, that I really want you guys to understand. If you have any questions, my email information is right here, and my phone number is right here, and you can text me as well. All right. Bye, guys.